going on, guys? TheBionicScoop here, checking in after somebody at the door. I'm really not expecting anybody. 1 second.
Oh man, I'm expecting no company, man. Hold on, Everett. The heck? It's gonna come in my house. That's an S20 FE. Huh? Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? All jokes aside, here we are with the S20 FE. Just got mine today, and I got the Cloud Orange edition because orange is actually my favorite color. So we're gonna get this cracked open with my handy dandy unboxing knife. I don't have an unboxing knife, but I do have an unboxing spoon. So we're gonna use the unboxing spoon, I guess. Pop the cap. You know, I'm just gonna use my fingers. I can edit this out, right? I can edit anything. You know, this would be a lot easier with the knife. Anyway, here we go. Let's get this bad boy vacuum open. Bloop, 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 bloop. So, let's see, what do we met? Got all the... Oh, inside the box is pretty neat. Got Samsung in there, some paper. We are greeted. Ooh, boy. That's a lot more pastel than I thought, but man, that is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Anyway, set that aside. Samsung stuff. Charging brick. USB A to C cord. And that's all that's in the box. So, first and foremost, this does not feel... Oh, hang on. Just for y'all. Anyway, yeah, this doesn't feel like it's... Wow, this doesn't feel plastic. This feels really nice. I like it. So yeah, so the screen protector. Oh, you're ready. Oh yeah, just for y'all. But yeah, this is slightly impressive. There's some plastic on the side. I'll get that in a minute. But yeah, this Cloud Orange is pretty dang pretty. I like it. That's it for your unboxing, I guess. I'll get it set up and we'll go from there.
All right, got all the information in, and this is a pretty phone. Cloud Orange is nice, kind of pops. It's got a little shimmer to it. So we got the volume rocker, power button, noise canceling mic, our lovely SIM tray. Takes a micro SD card as well, always a plus. Speaker grill, USB Type-C, and your microphone. So yeah, I mean, nice module in the back. It's a little bit raised, but it does not feel like plastic. It's a solid feel. I think Samsung really hit a home run with the physical design of this phone. So we're gonna find out about how well it's gonna do as a daily driver. So I've got my SIM in it. It's going in the pocket. Got the watch paired up to it. We're gonna rock it and see how it works. So look for updates on it. That's all I got for now. Y'all take care of yourselves. I'm out. My Chiefs won tonight though, so even better. Y'all take care.